Hey, what's up guitar players? Welcome back to Easy Guitar Practice. I wanted to make a quick precursor video because for this entire week, we'll be using Stevie Ray Vaughan's Dirty Pool as a backbone for all of our exercises. And something I wanted to note is that Stevie Ray did not hold his pick in a conventional style. Majority of players hold the pick so that the most pointed edge is the part of the pick that's making contact with the strings. But Stevie Ray Vaughan held it so that the thicker edge on the pick was the part making contact with the strings. This specific technique for holding your pick generally isn't important for sounding like Stevie Ray Vaughan, but I do think in this song specifically, Dirty Pool, it's helpful to get that strumming down, that super fast strumming that he's doing. I do think the hold where you're getting contact on the thicker part of your pick is extremely helpful in this song. So definitely try it out, not mandatory, but something that I do think is helpful. So experiment with it, and we'll see you later this week for more of those drills.